Hey guys, so I want to go ahead and remove this tint that I put on the front sensor here. I've decided to go with a darker tint to check it out. So I want to remove this. I want to show you how easy this stuff is. And I'm not going to use a blow dryer or heat gun or anything like that. That'll make it a little easier. If it's cold, I would probably recommend it just because it comes off easier. But I can do this without it. You just get the little corner started. And I want to see how it looks underneath. Make sure it's not leaving any marks on the plastic. I probably should have heated this up. See if it's cold like that, the vinyl gets really stiff. So the warmer it is, the better. You can leave it in the sun for a few hours to make this process a lot easier. But okay, once I got it started here, as you can see, as I'm taking it off, there's no residue underneath it. Looks perfect. That's why I always recommend wrapping this. If you don't want to change the look of it, if you like the chrome, just get a piece of clear 3M and put on there because it will protect it. Because these things are a lot of money if they break. If a rock hits it and they crack, it's more money than you want to spend on something like this. So I'm just working this down here. I'm being careful too because you don't want to pry too hard on this because you could pop this little piece of plastic off the car. So just take your time. Just work it around the edge here. It's really easy. So let me go ahead and remove this really quick. Okay, so I went ahead and pried it off, and that's what you're left with. As you can tell, it looks brand new. If you remember these chips I had before I put this stuff on, that was my reason I was saying it's important to do. That was before I even had this. So I'll let you know I have no new chips since installing this. So it does definitely have a purpose. Like I said, if you don't want to tint it, just put something on it. It will protect it. Something that you don't really think about until it breaks, and these things cost a lot of money. So hopefully that helps you out if you guys are on the fence about it. I'd highly recommend wrapping it with something clear or tinted. Doesn't matter, whatever your preference is, but it'll definitely help you out in the long run, especially if you drive on the highways a lot. Okay, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing great out there. Have another video coming up very shortly, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.